This is the communicator page for Tellumi. Here you can access the preference section, which is set up with a fictional person named Andrea. You can see her settings currently are casual, medium length, medium complexity, and a choice of 4 responses. Her About Me section contains almost 500 words and covers a range of likes, dislikes, friends, routines, and preferences. This is the most important section to set up to ensure you get the best responses. Once set up, they can always be changed. Just make sure you save them. Then go to the communicator to say more with less. For this video, we will type to make this part easier to follow, but you can also click on Start Listening. To speak to Tellumi, typing is optional. You can see it generated 4 short responses for Andrea to choose from. She taps one, and it will generate her speech. It then resets for the next part of the dialogue to happen. Here we assume the role of a carer, discuss her shower routine needs, what she wants to eat for lunch, whether she wants to come shopping for her preferred food, and what other activities she might want to do. She can always select the yes or no button as additional choices. Most responses either link back to earlier parts of the conversation, reflect preferences or dislikes from the About Me section, and always relate to the text or voice input by her communication partner. If Andrea dislikes her given options, she can select Try Again, which will generate new options more independent of the About Me section. Conversations will flow faster, be more relevant, and require less effort. Please read the Who Tellumi Is and Isn't for article in our Help section, where we try to highlight who benefits the most from this new communication platform. Tellumi is easy to learn and quickly set up. It provides independence, but is not a full AAC communication system, but rather a communication tool ready to assist the right person to help say more with less.